Hi, I am Lara. If this is your first time here, thank you for being curious. And if you've been following along, thank you for coming back. This channel is a reflection of my life, not just the highlights, but the real work behind it. I'm a real estate advisor, a creator, a strategist, but more than that, I'm someone who's rebuilt her life with intention, discipline, and heart. You'll see real videos of me, and you'll also see a few digital versions of me, AI avatars I have created to help tell different parts of my story. The one you might recognize, dressed in all black, usually shares marketing advice, business strategy, and AI support. This one, here in the forest, is a little different. She represents the softer side, the part of me that's grounded in nature, healing, reflection. Here, I'll talk about the things I've been through, what I'm learning, and what's helped me find clarity through the noise. And there are more avatars to come, each tied to a specific side of life I want to share with you. You'll also see my travels, behind the scenes of my luxury real estate work, my minimalist lifestyle, the carnivore diet that's helped me heal physically and mentally, and the marketing systems I've tested in real time, the ones that actually work. This channel is equal parts creative outlet and honest journal. I don't pretend to have it all figured out, but I do share what I've learned, so maybe you don't have to learn the hard way. If something I say or create brings you value, consider following. It helps this message reach more people, and it means a lot to those of us out here trying to do something real. And if you're curious how I made this avatar, you'll find a guide linked below. It walks you through the exact tools and process I used. Thanks for walking with me. I'm Lara, and this is just the beginning.